Hello friends, welcome to the channel retailconnect.com. In this session, we will discuss how to create a scroll to div or scroll to top, or you can say top to bottom to top button with smooth animation. Okay, so this is the sample code which we have written, and I will show you how you can create this. Okay, so now you can see. Uh, just see here, we have a small div here. Okay, so we have to scroll from here to this, so it is from scroll to div, and in the last we have a button click me, which will send you to the top. So this is from bottom to top, and this is from scroll to div. Okay. So for that we have taken three elements. First is anchor tag. Okay, and we have a h reference for the div id. Okay, and then we have the div here which have id scroll to div. Okay, now we have a button click me which will go to top. Okay, we have some css written here div. Okay, padding, some padding, text align center, background blue, and color and margin top. Okay, and the button will have margin top 400 vh. Okay, so now we will write the first animation part. Okay, so you can see window dot request anything, and we will have here for every browser Mozilla WebKit and normal frame. Okay, and the callback will be here window dot set timeout callback and 10,000 sorry 1000 divided by 60. Okay, now we have the main function scroll to y. So this is basically the scrolling common method for both from bottom to top and from to any div. Okay, to any div. Okay, so we have the scroll target. Okay, where we have to you have to give the position here, then you have speed and with the edging type. Okay, so the target scroll by property of the window where the position of the scroll is there. Okay, and the speed time in pixels per second. Okay, and aging equation to use. So we have written the aging equation. Okay, so now here you will see scroll by window dot scroll by, or if it is not found, then we have the document element scroll top target by, which will be we get from here. Otherwise it will set default to 0. Then we have speed default 2000 easing, otherwise default this one, and current time 0. Okay, so the time will be the max one and 0.8 second. So this is the method max 0.1 minimum scroll by target by speed. Okay, now we have some aging equations which we have taken it from here. Okay, so this is the switch here, switch case like here. Okay, and we have written aging equations here for each out sign, each out shine, each in out sign, and each in out quint. Okay, now we have the tick here. Okay, so we have the current time here, current time, aging equations. Okay, and what are the aging we are getting here. Okay, and we will the position, you will get it here. Now if p is less than 1, then it will be called, otherwise this will call to this one. Okay, otherwise this will call this, and we have initialized the tick here. Now we will find the event listener on the button. Okay, so on click we will call the scroll to y with 0. Okay, because we have to go to from bottom to top, so top will be the 0, this will be the speed, and this will be the easing equation. Okay, so we are giving the ease out quint. Now we have the anchor tag, click here, scroll to div, and it will have prevent default to avoid page load. And then we have scroll to div. Okay, so it will take out the div element, and then it will get the offset position, and it will give it the position, speed, and equation. Okay, so it will go to that particular position where the div is there. Okay, so this is the simple equation where, and I will share this link in the description so you can easily check this out. Okay, okay, so you can go one by one here. First we have written the frame, and then we have the main method call is call to y with position, speed, and using equation. Okay, so this is the equations here, and then you have a tick. Okay, and now we will have the event listeners on the button elements. Okay, so thanks for watching this session. We will continue some other topics in next session. Okay, thank you for watching.